In Meghalaya, 578 trainee officers in the rank of sub-inspectors of police, including 178 lady trainee officers belonging to Assam Police, today pass out from North-Eastern Police Academy on successful completion of 50th batch of basic course, the largest ever batch in the history of Nepal since its inception in the year 1978. The Diction Parade, Passing Out Parade was held at the parade ground of the Academy campus at Umsao Village, Ribhoi District, Meghalaya. The Chief Minister of Assam, Dr. Himanta Biswa Sharma, reviewed the parade and commissioned these officers into acting policy. Deepak Kumar, IPS Director, Nepal, administered oath to the trainees. Bhaskar Jyoti Mahanta, IPS, the DJP Assam, blessed and congratulated the trainees. A large number of high-ranking officials from Assam and Meghalaya, special invitees, relative of trainee officers and staff of Nepal witnessed the spectacular parade displayed by the trainee officers. Cadet Sub-Inspector Baharul Islam, who commanded the parade, was awarded with the Governor of Meghalaya Sword of Honour and Nepal Silver Medal for being the all-round best cadet. Cadet Sub-Inspector Noor Neha Begum was awarded with the Chief Minister Meghalaya Baton of Honour and Nepal Silver Medal for being Best Cadet in Indo subjects, while Cadet Sub-Inspector Biplab Gohend received the Chief Minister Arunachal Pradesh Baton of Honour and Nepal Silver Medal for being the Best Cadet in Outdoor subjects. The B.R. Lal Academy Trophy and Nepal Silver Medal for exemplary conduct was backed by Cadet Sub-Inspector Mitrunjoy Singha. Speaking on the occasion, Himanta Biswa Sharma said the government of Assam will not allow militancy to thrive in the state. He also said that his government will observe zero tolerance to drugs and economic offenders responsible affecting the economic growth of the state will be punished accordingly.
কালৰ এটা দুৰ্ঘটনাত তেখেতৰ দুৰ্ভাগ্যবশত আমাৰ মাজৰ পৰা তেখেত আঁতৰি গ'ল। মই তেখেতৰ আত্মাৰ চিৰ শান্তি কামনা কৰিছোঁ। ইউনিফৰ্ম পৰিহিত সেৱাৰ সৈতে জড়িত প্ৰতিগৰাকী ব্যক্তিৰ জীৱনৰ পাছিং আউট পেৰেড নিতান্তই এক গুৰুত্বপূৰ্ণ অনুষ্ঠান। এই আপোনালোকৰ জীৱনৰ গৌৰৱ আৰু প্ৰাপ্তিৰ মুহূৰ্ত আৰু আজীৱন এই মুহূৰ্তটো আপোনালোকৰ মনত সজীৱ হৈ থাকিব।